Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to show you quickly how you can add subtitles and hopefully get your subscribers. Using VEED, it's really easy to use and it's free. So I created this video about Top Bloke the other day. I thought it was funny. It was a video he was doing about Rick Shield's golf day.
Subscribers, and he was saying that there's quite a few people now with well over 200,000 subscribers, and the cut-off point is going to be whatever James Robinson's subscriber count is plus 1,000. I should imagine.
So I found that funny, so I sent it to Top Bloke. Or I shared it on Twitter, I think. So I want to show that you can probably think about repurposing old videos, repurposing old content, or just clipping out funny pieces of content in your videos. And all you've got to do it, create project. Obviously, you can have your video ready. So I've downloaded a video that I want to use that I thought was a good short that needed the subtitles. So this is a video I did, I don't know now, 6 months ago, 8 months ago, and it is called Golfer Burns a Beer.
How many calories I can burn playing golf? Heart rate at the minute, because it's...
Now, look, unfortunately, the quality of this video isn't great, but for this video, for this example, it'll work. But your video will be in HD if you have HD quality uploads.
It's quite hot out here. The car said it was...
Because I talk so much in this short, I want to add subtitles and show you this as an example. So all I've got to do when I've uploaded is go to subtitles and hit auto subtitles. It is in English, even though it's Yorkshire English. And while I'm having a coffee, it will quickly generate subtitles. I'll speed it up. Obviously, the longer the video, the longer it takes. But I was going to show you how to repurpose an old short, put it up, maybe remove the old one if it didn't do well. This had 500 views. But I'm going to add subtitles, add some life to it, and hopefully re-upload it to get some views, right? So there we go. Adding commas and periods, capitalising a few letters. And then it will come and say this top here. There we go. Now we have got...
How many calories I can burn playing golf? Heart rate at the minute, because it's quite hot out here. The car said it was 26 degrees.
Now, I do talk quite fast in this video, but maybe I talk
8 holes
fast.
in, 50 minutes, just over a mile walk.
So you can see where it is located, but the info itself is not bad. So let's just move it. And I do like this. So I'm going to put it in, that really is the only place that I can put it. Because I talk so fast, if you go to styles at the top here, you can change it to something like one word at a time. But watch, depending how fast...
How many calories I can burn playing golf? Heart rate at the minute, because it's quite hot out here. The car said it was 26 degrees.
That actually wasn't too bad.
8 holes in, 50 minutes, just over a mile walked, 244 calories. I'm now wondering how many calories are in our stuff.
Yeah, that actually doesn't look as bad as I thought. But I don't. I'm still more into the lettering and leaving it on, just so it's easier to read. Let's have a look at this one. This one's probably going to be the same. If you want to change the background, change this. Get rid of the background. So if you have it seems to mess the background up though. If you have a colour that you need that you can't stand it out, you can change it.
How many calories I can burn playing golf?
See, to me, that's too hard to read. So I am going to go back to that style. Style. And I'm going to go... I just want to see what the options are. What are the options? Download, shift all, delete all. Right, we're not going to do any of that for now. I'm going to go back to this one, the Quick Brown Fox. Kieran. That's the one I use, right? Yeah, Kieran. There's a few different styles. But I want it to work.
How many calories I can burn playing golf?
How many calories I can burn playing golf? It's not great. It's not great grammar, is it? I'm going to put it right there. And when you edit this box, it does edit the whole thing. You can't do one at a time, I don't think.
How many calories I can burn playing golf?
Which would be better if there was more. So I want to make it bigger. So what does it, 65? So we're going to go a little bit bigger. Let's go 72. What about 96? Maybe too big. But what I'm going to do is split that up, right? So what you'll see is as it scrolls down, this is how your subtitles come through.
How many calories I can burn playing golf?
So what I want to do is
how many calories I can burn.
right. So I'm gonna split that there by going here. How many calories I can burn, and adding a new line. Playing golf. So what it should do.
How many calories I can burn playing golf.
Yeah, so it's a little bit slow. So this
playing golf. Playing golf.
See where
playing golf.
I want playing golf to come in earlier. I can obviously make this bigger to give me a little bit more room. It is a little bit finicky. Right, playing starts there. So I want to bring this back to here, and I want to bring playing golf in sooner. What you can also do is click the ins and outs, which we'll do in a minute, right?
How many calories I can burn playing golf. Heart rate at the minute, because it's quite hot out here. The car said it was 26.
Right. The car said it was 26. So this is a long line, so I'm going to split it again. So where we're going to go?
The car said it was 26 degrees.
Right. So when
8 holes in.
Yeah, so that's exactly what we're going to do. We're
26 degrees.
8 holes in. We're going to split it there. We're going to drag this short.
Car said it was 26 degrees.
Right. I can also stop that there if it's not quite sinking.
Car said it was 26 degrees. 8
Right, so then move this across. Now, a lot of times it'll be in the right place.
8 holes in.
A little bit slow. Drag that over a bit.
8 holes in, 50 minutes, just over a mile walked, 244 calories. I'm now wondering how many calories are in a Stella 4. I'm going to do another 8 holes and see if I can earn them.
Earn them. So if there's anything not spelt right, maybe I don't want to.
Another 8 holes.
Maybe I don't want it to say 8. Wait. That's this one, right? Tell it is correct. Marker's correct. We're going to change that for an 8. We're going to change this for an 8. Right. Well, you have to. What you do is because the pressing space down the bottom starts this. Sometimes you get up here and you press space, right? So.
Car said it was 26 degrees. 8 holes in, 50 minutes. Car said it was 26 degrees. 8 holes in, 50 minutes, just over a mile walked, 244 calories. I'm now wondering how many calories are in a Stella 4.
I might split that, right? I'm now wondering, just because it's the bigger the writing, the better it's going to be. And again, I've pressed space because I've changed up here.
How many calories are in a Stella 4? I'm going to do another 8 holes and see if I can earn them. Cherry Saviour.
I want that to. I want it to be what I say. It tends to put full stops at the end of every bloody sentence as well, which I guess is fine. But
I'm gonna do another 8 holes and see if I can earn them. Cherry Saviour. Come on, Cherry. Oh, it's sticking up. I'm not having that one. The staffs are in. 200.
Right. Actually, it's done pretty good for my accent, hasn't it? The staffs are in. It needs changing to the stats are in.
The stats are in. 225 calories in a Stella 4. £3.20 in the pub here.
Right, if I really want to be finicky, it is Stella 4.
5 calories in a Stella 4. £3.20 in the pub here. What's it? So 225 to beat. 16 holes of golf was 538
16
calories.
older golf. 16 older. 16. Where are they? Stats at 225. Where are we? Or have I lost my space?
Golf was.
There we go. Here we go. 16 holes. This should be holes of golf.
Holes of golf was 538 calories. So
that maybe looks better. 16 holes of golf was. Let's just check that. £3.20. I might change that for a easier to read, is it? What's that look like?
£3.20 in the pub here. What's it? So 225 to beat. 16 holes of golf was 500.
Right, that was wrong, wasn't it? To beat. This was to beat. So you'll see, you'll have to tinker.
£3.20 in the pub here. What's it? So 225 to beat. 16 holes of golf was 538 calories. So second time.
Oh, you start getting finicky. I don't want that full stop there. Play it.
16 holes of golf was 538 calories. So second time of filming this. It's a lot easier to put calories in than it is to take them out. I love golf.
Right, again, to take them out.
To take.
I guess grammatically it would be like that, wouldn't it?
It's a lot easier to put calories in than it is to take them out. I love golf. How many calories I can burn playing golf? Heart rate at the minute, because it's quite hot out here. The car said it was 26 degrees.
Right.
8 holes in, 50 minutes, just over a mile walked, 244
Right,
calories.
get rid of that one. That one doesn't need to be there. Where's the one? If you play it, it'll jump to it, I think.
Just over a mile walked.
There, look. One. Get rid of that. Get rid.
It's just over a mile walked, 244 calories. I'm now wondering how many calories are in a Stella 4.
Okay, let's just be. How many calories in a Stella 4?
How many calories are in a Stella 4?
You get the point.
I'm going to do another 8 holes and see if I can earn them. Cherry saviour. Come on, Cherry. Oh, it's sticking out. I'm not having that one. The stats are in. 225 calories in a Stella 4. £3.20 in the pub here.
It was a big
So
sigh, wasn't it?
225 to beat. 16 holes of golf was 538 calories. So second time of filming this. It's a lot easier.
So that I don't think that. Even though,
So
I don't think that needs to be there. So I honestly don't think. Oh no, have I messed it up now?
538 calories. So second time.
Oh no, I didn't get rid of it. Right.
538 calories. So
Okay, so I messed that up.
138 calories. So second time of filming this.
I could probably cut that bit out.
It's a lot easier to put calories in.
I could probably cut that bit out. Oh no, I'll leave it in. So I quite like it. It's kind of done. Obviously, you take a little bit more time, but you can see it's not really that. Doesn't take that long. What I do think would be, I don't know, would this work? I actually think if I put a sound wave, because I would have liked this heartbeat to be going along. What do you think if the mouth sound?
How many calories I can burn playing golf? Heart rate at the minute, because it's quite hot out here. The car said it was 26 degrees. 8 holes in, 50 minutes, just over a mile walked, 244 calories. I'm now wondering.
See, I do like the sound wave stuff. I do like, I'll be adding all sorts that don't really need to be added. But I just want to show you some of the settings that you can add just to make it a little bit funkier.
How many calories I can burn playing golf? Heart rate at the minute, because it's quite hot out here. The car said it was 26 degrees.
So I'm just prying about now. You wouldn't do this, but
50
you can
minutes, just over a mile walked, 244 calories. I'm now wondering.
So yeah, that, it's cool. It's easy to do.
How many calories are in a Stella?
And once you're all set up, once you're all happy with your final project, click done. Quality standard, you can check the settings here. Advanced setting, resolution, bump it up, 1080. Standard, compression, high, quality, bang it high. It's just going to take a little bit longer. I'm pretty sure, I'm actually not sure if you can do that in the free version, but hopefully you can. Export the video, and when it is all complete, you can add it to your YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, wherever you're doing it. So I dragged this video out a bit longer than it needed to be, but I'm just interested in how easy it is. VEED.io. Go to pnuk.co. So while this is processing, go to pnuk.co, .com even, .co or .com, and go to VEED. And there's a place there to sign up for VEED. It is free. Obviously, some of the plans do cost money. I do get a little bit of kickback if you sign up and pay. But there's also free training. There's also a studio. There's a VEED studio certification for learning about VEED. And in the category of the forum, we'll be posting more VEED videos on how to use it. So pnuk.com/VEED gets you to the page where should have their latest videos, their latest tweets. If you want to keep in touch with VEED, go find out all the new and latest things. Their YouTube channel does have a lot of good stuff like you'd imagine it would do. Back to the VEED, we can check now
how many calories I can burn playing golf. Heart rate at the minute, because it's quite hot out here. The car said it was 26 degrees.
Right,
8 holes in, 50 minutes.
I was going to say let's have a check, and then all you do is hit the download. Download it, it fires to your downloads, and then you can upload that video wherever is required. VEED, how to add subtitles to a short or even a main video. So I've just put out a video on this channel about kick, which is this one. Same theory. I was doing a video. Hey guys, it's Paul the Bunk. I'm just going to do a quick video about kick. I'm going to start doing some little quick videos about kick. And now the theory being 60% or something crazy that a lot of people are watching I should have said this at the start of the video. A lot of people are watching your videos with audio off. They might be on buses, they might be on trains, they might be in class. So the subtitles definitely help. Hopefully that helps. More to come, more better videos than this. But improving those shorts, improving your videos with the subtitles is now very easy to do with VEED. Cheers for watching. See you soon. Paul, Pen UK Training Punk out.